single push button, which is used as a single throw single pole switch. Once you give them tag names to their respective input-output addresses, you need to do the following ladder diagram. And there are 3 memory coil tags and 1 output or indicator light coil tag, which is used to perform a switch operation by replacing it within the push button. Those 3 memory coil tags M0.0, M0.1 and M0.2 with their respective self-hold contacts. Let's delve a little about the operating principles. As the push button whose input address is I0.0 pressed, the coil tag M0.0 instantly energized. As a result, its normally open contact will stay permanently closed. In essence, act as a self-hold. There are exactly 3 normally open contacts of M0.0, including its self-hold, change their own state by becoming closed. So the one which was connected to Q0.0 indicator lamp will bring us light. On the other hand, immediately when the push button released, the next coil tag M0.1 becomes energized, and it becomes independent than that of the push button statuses, whether it is pressed or not, due to its self-hold contacts, but it is still depends upon the normally closed contacts of M0.0. Only one precondition is left to energize the coil tag of M0.2, which is touching the push button for the second time. That would help the coil tag of M0.2 energized and self-hold the circuit. Due to its normally open contact, within that instance its normally closed contact attached in series with M0.0 coil tag results in open up the circuit. Thus the indicator lamp becomes turned off. Thank you very much for your attentions, and please don't forget to subscribe PRD-SS channel. If you get this video helpful and absolutely fascinates and encourages us to do more and allows you to be notified on the weekly basis, and at last we are welcome for any kinds of comments and suggestions that you can put or remark as you need in the provided spaces below.